Hey friends, it's Beth from Rekindled Blessings. Let's use a Dollar Tree frame that my friend Raquel sent to me, and let's add some bonding boss to it. We're gonna make a super cute Easter little design. And we're gonna add bonding boss all over it, you guys, just to make sure that our paint will grab a hold and stick to the plastic. We want it to be able to stay on there. A lot of times if you can paint it with chalk paint, but that doesn't mean it's gonna stay on once it dries. If you add the bonding boss, it will help it to stay on there. So let's give that a little dry so that I can pick this up and maneuver it around the outside of this little frame. This color is called Sandstone. It is a Waverly paint. It's called Sandstone. It's a kind of a gray color. And we're just going to add this on each side of this frame until we get it completely painted. And then we're going to take the back that came on this. We're going to flip it over because it was black, and we're going to paint this back side with some white Waverly paint. Then we're going to add some Posh Pigment Infuser, and then we're going to add our super cute little bunny print that, let me think of the name of her little page. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is a new creator. I will put it in the description of the, I'll put it in the description of the video. She's not a new creator, but she's new to me. Anyway, she's awesome, you guys. She makes her own prints, but I will definitely put it in the comments or in the description of this video. Anyway, we're going to take a piece of burlap ribbon. I've cut it down. We're going to get our stamps. And you guys, I tried to stamp on this ribbon and it just would not work. So then I had to change it up a little bit. You can see a little bit where it was trying to grab a hold, but it just didn't do the job. So I went and got some canvas, what I call a canvas or a like a drop cloth type ribbon. And I'm just going to clean all that off really good and kind of sand those edges down to make it where it's nice and has little pieces of the fringing at the bottom and on the sides. So we're going to stamp this with the word bunny, B-U-N-N-Y. How cute is that, you guys? And this is going to go on top of the burlap, and then we're going to glue it to it. And this glue that I use is for felt and for just material. And it was too long, so I had to cut it down and refringe those edges. You guys can see me doing that. And then we're going to stick it right here in the center of this little, or not in the center, but in the center of the picture from side to side. Then we're going to add some wax from Pintart, you guys. This color is, let me look here and see what the color of this is. The color is bronze. It's just called bronze. This stuff smells so good. It has such a great scent to it. I love the way it smells. We wipe some of that back, and then you guys, we are going to put a piece of Totally Dazzled, but I'm digging around looking for what Totally Dazzled I want to put on here, and I found these cute little flowers that I think will look absolutely adorable on this. So, well, first I thought I found an egg, and we just kind of dug through, and we found the ones that we wanted, and this little flower is so cute. So we're going to add the little flower, and then I have another one we're going to put on the other side. Y'all, these are just so precious. I love the way this turned out. I hope that you guys enjoyed this with me. I'm trying to think. And I tried the little bow. I was making a small bow for her little head, and we finally got it to fit. So I glued it on. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Have a great day, and thanks for watching. Share this out, y'all.